to my channel. Hi. So today we are going, we're in Lesotho. We're going to Tiatianing. What we're doing there is quad biking. If you haven't done the deed yet, subscribe, like this video, comment and share. Comment, like, share, screenshot, post on your Instagram and tag me, and hit that notification bell. Ciao, ciao. So, where to go quad biking in Lesotho? This particular place that I went to is in Tiatianing. This is some 82 kilometers away from Botabute and some 42 kilometers away from Maseru, the capital city. From Botabute, this should be a 1 hour 20-minute drive, but I swear to you it will take a whole lot longer because, as you can see, well, yeah. Anyway, there's probably a whole lot of other places where you can go quad biking, but this one is called Cholotsa Adventures. They have horseback riding, they have quad biking, obviously, they have paintballing, and they have a whole lot of team building activities where you can just go explore with your team members, your friends, your family members, or people from work. The road leading up there, once you off-ramp from the main road, is okay, but not so great, so you'll need to drive super slow. The area itself has a huge parking space, which is an A+ from me. So, see what we got up to. Well, they didn't have gas, something like that, for us to do paintballing, so the only thing we got up to was quad biking. So see how that went.
I've been thinking about you. Baby, my baby, my soul.
as you can see, we had a good time. I mean, I might just be a bike owner one of these days.